Hello guys, today we have a quick review on these awesome switches. These are the Wuche Studios WS Brown. So these are tactile switches that Wuche Studio sent to us over for review. But again, all thoughts and opinions in this video are my own. Alright. These switches are so good. This might probably be my favorite switch of 2023 as of the moment. And this switch came to me as a surprise because when I got my review unit of the Zoom 75, they asked me if they could send over some switches for review as well. And of course, I said yes. I did have good experience with the other Wuche Studio switches, most specifically the WS Quartz. I love those switches. Those are deep and thoughtful switches, and they really sound nice. They are very good out of the box. And they also sent over some silent switches, which I'm not really a fan of. The switches themselves are good, but silent switches, not for me. All right. Then came these switches. At first, I thought, okay, Browns. Brown switches kind of have a bad connotation on them because we think that, okay, brown, these are like entry-level switches because you have the Gateron brown, blue, yellow, reds. Okay, those are like beginner switches. There are the switches that will tell you that, okay, these are tactiles, all right? But when I slapped these on the Zoom 75, boy, oh boy, all right? What do I love about them? Almost everything. Almost everything. They are long pole. I measured up the stem. It's 13.8 millimeters, which makes it so lively. These switches are so lively. They are very loud, probably almost as loud as the Zaku's. They're very loud and lively. I love them. Even on my Zoom 65, which is a very muted board, it sounded really good. At the end of the video, I'll give you a full sound test with the Zoom 75 and the Final Key Origin 65A, and boy oh boy, I do enjoy using them. The typing feel also is very good. It's so good that I think I'm falling back in love with tactiles again. Tactile bump is very prominent, not that heavy, not that light, probably a tad less tactile than the Boba U4Ts. So I thought they fall under the category of light tactiles. It's not super tactile, just enough. Just enough that my fingers will know that it is tactile. Has a 22 millimeter double stage spring, which I really love. I love double stage springs. 55-gram bottom out, perfect for my fingers. And it's factory lube. Okay, nowadays, I don't like switches that I have to open up and lube. The last time I lubed up switches were probably last year because all of the recent switch releases were really good that you could use them factory lubed as it is. And the same is true for the WS Browns. No need to open them up. Out of the box, it's really good. All right? And yeah, that's it. Nothing else to say. Super good. My favorite switch by far of 2023. If there's only one thing that probably is a downside for these switches, locally here in the Philippines, it's not available. So you have to buy them online abroad. For the sellers out there, please do try to distribute this locally because it's really good. I think a lot of people will love this. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.